Imagine for a moment being locked away in a tiny prison cell. The walls are cold and unyielding. Your freedom has been stripped away, and the outside world carries on without you. For 27 years, Nelson Mandela sat in such a cell on Robben Island, enduring unimaginable hardship. Yet, when he was finally freed, he didn't walk away bitter or broken. Instead, he walked out a stronger, wiser, and more compassionate man. He refused to let his circumstances define him. Mandela once said, "Do not judge me by my success. Judge me by how many times I fell down and got back up again." This is the essence of overcoming adversity. It's not about avoiding hardship, but about rising every time life knocks you down. It's about turning obstacles into opportunities, using struggle as a stepping stone to greatness, and emerging from trials stronger than before. While in prison, Mandela did not simply survive, he thrived. He studied, he read, and he strengthened his resolve. When he finally walked free, he didn't seek revenge against those who had oppressed him. Instead, he advocated for unity, forgiveness, and reconciliation. He famously said, "I never lose. I either win or learn." That, my friends, is the mindset of a person who has learned to see adversity as a teacher. Every setback holds a lesson. Every failure is a stepping stone. Too often, we view adversity as an enemy, a roadblock designed to stop us. But Ryan Holiday, in his book The Obstacle is the Way, offers a different perspective. He writes, "The obstacle in the path becomes the path. Never forget, within every obstacle is an opportunity to improve our condition." The very challenges that frustrate and discourage us are often catalysts for our growth. When we encounter resistance, whether in our careers, relationships, or personal goals, it forces us to adapt, problem solve, and grow stronger. Think about it. Muscles don't grow without resistance. Diamonds don't form without intense pressure. And character is never forged without struggle. We live in a world that often glorifies ease and convenience. We're sold the idea that comfort equals happiness. But Steve Magnus, in his book Do Hard Things, challenges this notion. He writes, "Avoiding struggle makes you fragile. Seeking it out makes you resilient." Magnus argues that doing hard things is essential for building true mental and emotional toughness. When we embrace struggle, we become more capable of withstanding life's inevitable challenges. Adversity is not a detour, it's the path itself. So how do we apply this philosophy to our own lives? It starts by leaning into discomfort, not away from it. When you're faced with a difficult project at work, don't avoid it, embrace it. When a conversation is tough but necessary, don't sidestep it, engage with it. It's through pushing into discomfort that you build resilience. The next time you feel overwhelmed, I want you to remember this. You are being forged, not broken. One of the greatest obstacles we face in times of adversity is the fear of failure. But here's the truth. Failure is not the opposite of success, it's part of it. Ryan Holiday writes, "Failure shows us the way by showing us what isn't the way." Adversity is also the training ground for grit. Grit is the combination of passion and perseverance. It's the ability to stick with something long after the initial excitement has worn off. In Do Hard Things, Steve Magnus emphasizes that real toughness is experiencing discomfort or distress, leaning in, paying attention, and creating space to take thoughtful action. When you cultivate grit, you develop the mental fortitude to keep going even when the road gets tough. You learn to face discomfort head on, not because it's easy, but because it makes you stronger. To overcome adversity, you must develop an unshakable mindset for resilience. Here's how. Number 1, control what you can, let go of what you can't. You can't control the storm, but you can control how you navigate it. You can't control the outcome, but you can control your effort. Focus on your thoughts, action, and mindset. Number 2, reframe challenges as opportunities. When life throws obstacles in your path, don't ask, "Why me?" Ask, "What can I learn?" Every hardship contains a lesson, a skill, or a chance to strengthen your character. Number 3, stay present in the struggle. Magnus warns against the temptation to run from discomfort. Instead, he encourages us to stay in it, to pay attention and take thoughtful action. Whether you're facing a tough workout, a personal setback, or a career challenge, stay in the moment and trust that the struggle is shaping you. Number 4, lean on your circle of support. Support yourself with mentors, friends, and loved ones who will encourage you when you feel like giving up. Nelson Mandela didn't overcome apartheid alone. He leaned in on the support of his comrades and his people. Perhaps surprisingly, you are stronger than you think you are. The truth is, you are capable of far more than you realize. Adversity is not meant to destroy you, it is meant to reveal your strength. The pain you endure will strengthen you. The obstacles in your path will shape you into someone more powerful than you ever imagined. So the next time you face a challenge, don't shrink back, lean in. When you fail, learn. When you're tired, keep going. Because in the end, it's not the easy paths that shape us, it's the hard ones. And it is by walking those difficult roads that we discover our true strength. If this message spoke to your struggle, hit that like button and share it with someone fighting their own battles. Subscribe for more strength to face life's challenges. Remember, adversity isn't the end, it's the forge that shapes your resilience. Keep pushing forward, stand tall in the storm, and know that every setback is just a setup for a greater comeback.